Hello guys, good evening to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Thursday to Saturday, April 11 to 13, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, one of the best schools in the Bicol region. About this power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainable with You. If you're willing to know more about the program or BPI, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, just go to our description page just above this video for more details on the BPI Sustainable with You program. There's a link there that will bring you to their website. Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's start our update. Here's now the latest Thu-Sat that we issued today, Thursday, until tomorrow, Friday, April 12. We have some light northeasterly surface wind flow prevailing across the northernmost portions of Luzon. That includes Batanes, Babuing Cove Islands, the coastal areas of Ilocos Norte, and also up to the area of the West Philippine Sea. It will bring some breezy but hot conditions across the Spratly Islands. That includes the Calayan Island group. While here over the Bicol region and some portions of eastern and central Visayas, there will be also the effects of the northeasterly wind flow. Yesterday, the heat index has decreased a little bit because of the passage of this frontal system and its shear line. It's now moving away. That's why the heat index is rising again. While the rest of the archipelago will remain dry, calm, very hot weather, okay? And the chances of thunderstorms are very low. There might be some showers, particularly over Visayas, but it's not enough to alleviate this extreme heat or heat index that we are experiencing. Actually, the highest heat index recorded for today was observed in Dagupan City with a high of 44 degrees Celsius. Outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure area. We have here two troughs. One is a near equatorial trough and the other one is a surface trough near Chuk State in central Micronesia. We are observing this cloudiness, but based on the computer models, particularly the European model, it's not expected to develop into a tropical cyclone. So it will remain as a trough or even reach LPA status, but in the next few days, this area of cloudiness will eventually disperse or dissipate. Okay. Now let's take a look at the fast animation. So there you go. This is now the area that we are observing for the past 24 hours, but it's starting to break down based on the last satellite loop. It is now 9 o'clock in the evening. So it's really not going to develop, okay? And for the windy.com zoom in satellite animation from the UMETSAT servers of windy.com, there you go. There will be some showers and thunderstorms or possible thunderstorms over eastern and central Visayas, as you can see here, while the rest will remain dry, hot with some cloud cover. And for the heat index data from Pag-asa, this is the latest web page update as of 5 p.m. This afternoon, April 11. So the highest heat index recorded for April 11 is right here over Dagupan City, Pangasinan, with a high of 44 degrees Celsius. And it's likely to prevail for the next 2 days, April 12 and April 13, remaining at 44 degrees Celsius. While over the Bicol region, here, the highest so far is along Masbate, and also here over Sibisua, Pili Camarines Sur, it's 40 degrees. The rest will be from 37 to 40 degrees Celsius as well. Now let's take a look at the data from our various weather stations across the Bicol region. But first, we are reporting now the highest heat index observed in Naga City. As of today, or this afternoon, Barangay Liboton is still the number one or the hottest place in the city at 42.8 degrees Celsius around 2:38 p.m. This is quite hotter compared to yesterday, and it rose up to 2.8 degrees Celsius because yesterday it's around 40 degrees. So with this kind of temperature, we are still at danger level wherein heat cramps and heat exhaustion it will be expected, and heat stroke is probable with continued exposure. And if you take a look at the various weather stations of Typhoon 2000, this is the highest heat index for today, April 11. The number one highest heat index observed for today is along Kamuning, Calabanga, Camarines Sur with a high heat index of 43.6 degrees centigrade around 1:06 p.m. followed by Liboton in Naga City 42.8. The third one is along Mabulo at 42.1, and you're wondering why Liboton and Mabulo is always the hottest place in Naga City because it's lacking trees. Okay, it's very important to have lots of trees to fight this high heat index. Okay, if we have lots of trees, just like here in Concepcion Pequeña, Concepcion Grande, San Felipe, you'll see the difference of 1 or -1 or -2 degrees centigrade below of what's being recorded or observed along Liboton and Mabulo. So that's the reason why these areas are much lower compared to these two barangays. So it's very important to have trees to fight off this increasing heat index, or what we call in Tagalog as damang init, or feels like. So there you go. These are the recorded heat index. The highest one, number 7, is Bugtong, Legazpi City, 40.4. The lowest of them all is the one that recorded the highest, which is Kabinitan, Viracatan. The one is yesterday, it's around 43. Okay, but right now it's 38.1. Okay, so it depends on the humidity of that area. So from time to time it goes down, it goes up. So the heat index will also goes up and down. So there we go. That's the latest from the Typhoon 2000 automated weather station. Don't forget to drink lots of fluids to battle this intense or extreme heat, okay, that we are experiencing. As we take a look at the wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days until Sunday. So this evening we have still experiencing some light northeasterly wind flow, northeasterly trade winds. But by Friday or tomorrow, it will now resume back to easterlies, and calm conditions will prevail along the mountainous areas of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And on Saturday, easterlies will continue until Sunday. There's no chances of heavy thunderstorms or rainfall for the next 3 days, so don't forget to bring lots of water to fight off this increasing heat index, okay? And for the rain forecast, okay, this is the 3-day rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Saturday. So generally, the whole of the country will remain dry, hot, and warm with very high and extremely dangerous heat index, okay? Except for smaller areas of Basilan, along the offshore areas of Bangsamoro. So there might be some showers and thunderstorms here, but generally it will not be a factor to decrease this heat index, okay? And Here's the wave forecast for the next 3 days. Nothing changes. So today, Friday until Saturday and Sunday, the wave heights over the East Philippine Sea will remain around 1.5 to 1.7. Okay, based on the data from the European model from windy.com. While the rest of the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, as well as over the West Philippine Sea, including the Calayan Island group, wave heights will remain around calm conditions up to a height of 1 meter. So that's good news if you are a fisherman or sea traveler. Okay, so it's really still a good time to have some sea travel. Now for the Global Tropics Hazards Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, issued yesterday. This is valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks. By week 2, valid April 17 to April 23, the Philippine Islands will remain above 60% of below average rainfall. Okay? And on week 3, valid April 24 to April 30th, we will continue to experience more than 60% of below average rainfall, or more than 65% across the Philippine Islands. So please take all necessary precautions against heat strokes, muscle cramps, okay? Since this will be our enemy for the next couple of months. Okay, and there you go. That's the latest for this Thursday evening, and we will return in the next couple of days, probably this Saturday, for a weekend edition of our tropical weather analysis. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying good night to all, or good morning, wherever you are located around the world. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels, Facebook.com/ at Mr. Typhoon, or YouTube.com/ at Mr. Typhoon as well. So there you go. Good evening and God bless to all.